Severe storms are once again possible across broad parts of eastern and southeastern Australia today. And while Sydney and Canberra are less likely to see the storms this afternoon, parts of western Melbourne may catch some of that severe thunderstorm activity. Let's take a closer look at it all now, starting with today's thunderstorm forecast. Now, our green areas show us where storms are possible, and we can see that that includes much of South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria, as well as some surrounding parts of southern Queensland, the Northern Territory and Western Australia. Storms are possible through Adelaide and Melbourne, but less likely today through Canberra and Sydney. But it's our yellow areas that we really want to focus on. Those are where severe storms are possible today. For New South Wales, this includes the Central West, Riverina and the Far West as well. For Victoria, this includes parts of the Northern Central Districts and Western Districts, including western suburbs of Melbourne, possibly even pushing towards Geelong later today. For South Australia, the Northeast Pastoral, Flinders and Mid-North District may see some severe storms today. Now, in those severe storm areas, we could see heavy falls that may lead to flash flooding. That occurs when a lot of rain falls in a short space of time and our drainage systems can't cope with the amount of rainfall that's coming in. Damaging winds and large hail are also possible, particularly across those inland areas of New South Wales, but heavy rain is more likely, particularly against the ranges and pushing down into Victoria. Now, with water moving over the roads, we could easily see areas of flash flooding emerging through the southeast through this afternoon and evening. That could lead to dangerous driving conditions, particularly if heavy rain is still occurring and decreasing visibility. We may also see some minor damage to cars or property thanks to the heavy rain, damaging winds and large hail that are possible with severe storms today. Communities right across the southeast are advised to keep a close eye on the radar through this afternoon and evening as storms continue to develop, and also keep an eye on the Bureau's warnings page and social media in case we do need to issue any severe thunderstorm warnings for storms today. And unfortunately, today won't be the end of it. We've got another very stormy day on the way for tomorrow, for Wednesday. Our thunderstorm forecast shows that storms are possible once again through much of New South Wales and Victoria, as well as southern Queensland and far eastern parts of South Australia. Adelaide is in for a bit of a drier day for once, as well as Canberra and Sydney and much of the east coast. However, our possible severe storm area once again includes areas to the west of the ranges, pushing down into those western parts of Victoria, including the western suburbs of Melbourne as well. In those yellow, severe storm possible areas, we could once again see heavy falls leading to flash flooding, damaging winds and large hail, with thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Taking a look at our rainfall map, we can see that storms and shower activity is likely to be fairly patchy through those eastern and southeastern parts of the country, most likely during the afternoon and evening today, and again tomorrow afternoon and evening. Rainfall totals are likely to be a little bit hit and miss at times, with many areas simply seeing pretty cloudy conditions, warm and humid as well as that rain continues to fall. The best way to keep track of exactly where the storms are developing, as I said, is to keep an eye on the radar and make sure you check the Bureau's website regularly for forecast and warning updates throughout the period. This situation is unfolding at the moment, so keep yourself up to date. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.